you might have seen there is a portal from Katalon, like Katalon Store. And you might have seen some of the plugins. If you have not, that's what we're going to be discussing today. So this is what it is, guys. This is the cool thing. We are talking about the Katalon Store overview, understanding the Katalon Studio plugins, and creating custom keywords as plugin, and publishing the custom keyword plugins in Katalon Store, and installing and working with plugins. As you know that there are so many different tools available in the market. Mostly on the store side, you have seen that there are some plugins which are kind of very, very cool because they try to extend the actual capability of the tool itself. And Katalon Store is one such effort from the Katalon team on how we can enhance or extend the way the testings can be done, and it can be leveraged the usage of the plugins from among the community. So that's what we will be discussing. And there are two ways of doing the whole Katalon plugin. One is using the actual plugin, so it's going to be like a Katalon Studio platform that will be discussed today. And there is one more thing is like creating custom keyword as a plugin. So like keyword as a plugin is something which is kind of very, very enhanced way of using your existing functionalities of keywords within Katalon and using them within your plugin feature of Katalon and deploying that in the plugins portal and then using it. Again, we'll be discussing all of them today.